Hi, Becky.
Yo,
Hi, girl. Like
Mohawk.
Elvis Mohawk.
Isn't
Yeah.
that awesome? Remember Mohawk?
I remember Mohawk all the way down his back. Stripe and stuck, the hair stuck up. That was one of our Nigerian dwarfs. But these are alpine. Hi. I love your hair. Hi. And these ladies are pregnant, so they're going to be giving birth. Woohoo! Baby goats. Baby alpine. Yeah. Hi, ladies. Hi.
And then he died.
Aww. Hi. Hi. I got a watchdog up there. Hi. How are you? What's like 4? Oh. Hi, baby. These ones either are pygmy, but they're much smaller than a normal goat size. Yeah, it's like nibbling on your thumb, huh?
We got rid of the last couple of roosters. It seemed like all of a sudden right after that, the other two just got bigger. So I'm wondering if that's what's... It was really weird because it was very noticeable too. It was within a matter of like a week.
Yeah, I love her colors. It's gorgeous. Hi, honey. Sorry. I like the purple and blue and dark red and yellow.
So if you need more chickens, which it does not sound like you do, but if you do, the Amish in town sell them for a decent price. We got I think we got our chickens $6 a chicken.
That's great. I mean, that's even better than the price I was...
Yeah, they were 6 months old.
This is Winter, Gaia, Fathom, Mama, and this rooster that we just got. And we're from Homestead Diary. And we just got this from one of our new friends. And so we're going to release him. Ready?
Sometimes they talk about quarantining and getting them used to the environment and stuff like that. And I know introducing a new member to the flock is always a risk. Fathom, no, Fathom, no chasing. We don't want them to feel attacked. Gaia, no. Don't swing your purse around and almost hit your sister, please.
Don't hit that chicken.
Don't hit the chicken. So he's tiny. He's tinier than our hens, and it's funny looking at him in comparison. But he might get bigger, depending. I heard them say that when they had more females per male, then the male got larger, and so maybe he'll grow once he knows that there are more women to take care of here, and that he's needed. So call him Big Red, and he's nothing like our Big Red. Our Big Red was actually much bigger, 2 or 3 times, at least probably more like 3 times the size. But Big Red was also named the Fuhrer, because he walked like a Nazi soldier. But in today's day and age, we can't really joke about that because it's getting too close to home. Anyway, this is our little flock. Hi. Oh, here comes. Other roosters getting a little. So now we have 4 roosters, we believe. One, oh, he's dancing for her. I don't know if you saw that. Oh, there's the male. Oh, chicken fight. Oh. So this is called pecking order. Guys, girls, don't go by there. Oh, there's another male. See? Pecking order. So. Dominance. Who's the boss? Who gets the ladies? I get the pick of the ladies. They're not yours. You're new here. I like the under the, between the legs. Stop. You're not part of the pecking order, Fathom. They are doing their own fight. Back away. Let them do their own thing.
Your mother watches like
Headbutting. Standing on the backs of them. Got him down. Pinned him like wrestling. So this is our most dominant, the white one. Getting tired.